Hi guys, Sadie here and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, surprise surprise! For this video, it's unboxing time, and for this video, I am going to unbox an Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's see what's inside. So let's unbox. So guys, the iPhone 11 Pro that I'm going to unbox is midnight green. Yeah. So midnight green, because iPhone 11 comes with 7 colors. It's a funky colors, which is similar before to iPhone 5C. If you remember that, they have a funky colors before. But for now, Apple is more likely on the conservative side. So since it's iPhone Pro 11 Max, they have opted to choose 4 colors. They have these 3 recent colors: space gray, silver white, and the other one, the black one, I guess, and the newer one, which is really selling like a hotcake in the UAE market these days. It's midnight green. So let me open the box. Wow. Oh my goodness, that sound, so satisfying. Charot lang. So this includes this includes the device itself, and it comes with a USB Type-C charger. So this USB Type-C charger is a fast charger. So recently, iPhone 11 and the older versions, they only have this USB Lightning charger and the adapter itself. Unfortunately, for these newer models, they don't have the dongle, which is, of course, as what we have no iPhone 11 Pro devices, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, when they debuted the first iPhone 10 without the headset jack. So first, iPhone 10, they have this dongle. Later, they didn't provide it in the box. Why, Apple? Why? So let's check what's inside the box. So I have the midnight green here. And by the way, iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with a triple camera, and as what you have noticed, the lens plating comes with a matte finish. So as what you can see, it's fingerprint resistant. It's the same what iPhone 11 has. The only thing which is different here is the back plating. If for iPhone 11, it comes with a glass plating, but for iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's aluminum. So it prevents from cracking on the back side of it if you drop it, just in case, which is really prone to iPhone 11 because iPhone 11 is prone to glass breakage. Yeah. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max here. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. So as usual, documentations designed by Apple in California. And inside, hello, hola, and of course, as always, they bring the Apple stickers, which you can use later on to stick it around in your backside of your car or anywhere. And the USB SIM ejecting tool, and other documentations. You know what I love the most with iPhone products is that Apple keeps the design minimalistically. Starting from unboxing, it's so satisfying me, and the experience is okay. Inside, what I mentioned before, what I mentioned before was a USB Type-C adapter. So for the first time, iPhone produced a USB Type-C adapter from its iOS device. They are using this before on their MacBook Pro lineups, but now they implemented this into their devices, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Suddenly, there's no USB dongle at all, and of course, the earpod. Okay, and here's the USB Type-C. Why, Apple? I paid $299 for the iPhone 11, yet they didn't provide any USB fast charging adapter. Anyways, let's peel it off. Okay, so let's put it up. Guys, please forgive my English. My English is not good, okay? Just check in the subtitle or in the closed caption below. Okay. And by the way, guys, this comes with... Oh, here it goes. This iPhone comes with IP68, which is water resistant, and it can last up for 30 to 40 minutes if you soak it in the water. 4 meters compared before with iPhone 11 that it can manage to stay up in the water for 2 meters only, which is good. And the screen itself comes with an organic LED display. So iPhone 11 comes with an LCD, or they call it liquid retina display, iPhone calls it. And for this iPhone Pro Max, as what you have no OLED before, iPhone 10W, they use also the OLED display. Now, they are using another OLED screen to iPhone 11 Pro Max with higher specs, which means they are this iPhone 11 Pro Max is capable of handling XDR displays and Dolby Atmos with spatial sounds. iPhone 10 comes with Dolby Atmos only, but for this debut, for this flagship, it comes with a spatial sound, Dolby Atmos, and HD XDR display because of the OLED capability. Alright, and as what you have noticed, it comes also with an outer microphone, which is very familiar now for those iOS users, started from the iPhone 6s Plus, because you know this microphone, it's a noise cancelling. So if, for example, someone is calling you, it can isolate all the sounds here, even if there's another microphone on the bottom portion of the device itself. And also, if you are recording video for 4K, this is the external microphone itself to record some of those plaintive noise sounds surrounding on the background. Okay? For the iPhone 11, it comes with big camera lens, right? So these next pictures that I'm going to show you is all about the camera lens testing. So first is the telephoto lens. So what you can see on this side, that's how a telephoto lens looks. Next is just a normal photo of a broccoli, I guess, or a broccoli plant. I don't know what plant is that. Just a normal plant, indoor plant, yeah. And next to it is ultra wide angle lens shot. Okay. Okay. So these are the 3 main selling point of iPhone 11 Pro Max apart from the OLED display. As what you can notice, or as what you have noticed during the WWDC show, courtesy of their CEO, they merely introduced the camera features. It took like around 15 minutes for the introduction about the camera. So I guess this is the main selling point of this device. It's the camera itself. Yeah. Other than that, it comes with a bunch of features. The same features before with iPhone 10. It comes with a wireless charging. What else? Wireless charging, water resistant, to name a few. And by the way, for those people who recently purchased an iPhone 11 Pro Max, Pro, and iPhone 11, you are eligible to get a 1-year free subscription from Apple TV Plus. So that's a plus. Okay? And other than that, yeah. There's another feature more. They have this what called night mode feature. Night mode feature, of course, the night mode itself. So if you're going to take a picture on a darker area of your house, for example, it eliminates the lens aperture. So meaning, if the night, or if the portion of the area reaches to 70 lumens, the third aperture camera of iPhone Pro 11 Max itself adjusted to its surrounding, and it can provide more brightness within that shot. So it's a nice feature, guys. It's been a long time as what you have remember, iPhone, the night mode exists already before. If you have a Nokia bar phone that comes with a night mode, this night mode feature already exists, but now it's available in iPhone Pro or iPhone 11 flagship phones of Apple itself. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys learned something from it, and also please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative contents. And I'm going to put the unboxing review of iPhone 11 and quick unboxing review below. Link in the description. Check my video. And credits to Peter also. Wow! Yeah. Here's my videographer at the moment. Thank you so much. And I'm here right now in the beautiful place of Park Ratana here in Abu Dhabi, 2454, together with my niece, Eileen. Hi, Ma. Say hi to the camera. Wow! And we're having some fun right now. We have some food to eat here. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and please visit my website www.sadiesrandom.com for more tech review and travel blogs as well. And if you want to shop amazing stuffs at Amazon.com, just click the URL on the description below, right? Amazon.com. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.